This is Dr. Brown's Anti-Colic Bottle to Sippy Bottle Starter Kit. So as you see, there is two pieces to it. Let me show you the bottle first. So this is a baby bottle and it is made out of plastic, BPA free. It goes up to 9 ounces, which is a pretty large amount. It's very sturdy, easy to clean. And when I take the top off here, it has a breast-like nipple, mostly for breastfed babies. My baby was breastfed and she used this just fine. Now, the great thing about Dr. Brown's bottles is they all have the venting system. The vent system is clinically proven to reduce colic, which is gas in babies, and which the gas can make them very uncomfortable and hurt them. So you just pop that right in and you put the top on, and that's your baby bottle. And now if you want to switch it to a sippy bottle, you just change the spout. It is a soft silicone spout, very easy to clean, and they can smoothly transition into the sippy bottle so they can start getting used to using a sippy cup soon.